So here we stopped at a mountain. We're supposed to be going to a waterfall, but we're trying to get a good view. But you can't really see. It just looked like a whole bunch of nothing, but I assure you, we are very, very high. Yeah. Look at those houses over there. Like, who the fuck want to live on the top of a mother freaking...
No roads either. Like, you don't see no roads.
We are going to another waterfall. Come on. Another waterfall. They changes his shoes. We're still in North Carolina, but we're an hour out. So we decided to take a detour.
And I guess I could make this. Even with Zaya, you might could.
No.
You don't think so?
No.
You gotta be careful.
I'm not sliding down that motherfucker.
This is like the worst part. We're just not gonna go down to the waterfall.
Look at that. No. All right. It came from up there. See, they just down there.
They must have been down and came up.
left the light on. Oh. What the hell is the light? Okay, hold on a second. It's right here. Alright, so we got a cute little sitting area right here. Got some cute little decor. Kitchenette. Oh, we got a fancy ass spiral staircase. Okay. I see you. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is a big bed. This is... Oops. Where the hell is the light at? I don't know where the light's at, but... I don't know how to turn the light on, but... On TV. Excuse me. The bathroom is pretty nice. Bathroom. There's the lights. Let me see. Bathroom. Now I'm curious about these stairs.
Me too.
So let's see where the stairs lead. Caution steps narrow. Alright, so let's see. Come on. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's another bedroom up here. So it's 2 bedrooms.
I didn't know that.
You got 2 bedrooms, babe. Alright. That's cool. Let's go check out the porch. Check out the porch. So we got, this is the 2nd bedroom up here. Look at the bear on the wall. Bear on the wall. Now, I'm gonna go check out the porch. Okay. I don't know where all the fucking lights at. Oh, I can't wait to see this view in the morning. Y'all can't see it, but oh my gosh. Y'all cannot. Y'all can. Oh, I'm scared of heights, but this looks so good, y'all. We'll see y'all tomorrow. I don't know what any of this. Wow, the refrigerator is legit built into the wall. Like, they made space for the refrigerator. That thing nice. Thing nice, boy. First thing, paper towel. No, can't really wipe down the chair, so we're just gonna spray the hell out of it. Spray the hell out of it. Can't really wipe it down, but got my disinfectant wipes. I'm going on this table. All these chairs. This table. Yeah, we're gonna close these blinds because we ain't them type of people. Finish the table. Get the countertops. Get this stuff. Spread it up. And we close our blind. We're playing that game. And just need to go uphill, uphill. And let's go all the way up the stairs. And this too, at the top. This. Clean.
You just got your almond milk.
Whatever. That's it. All right, so we are done cleaning. We made it. We're just gonna kind of chill tomorrow, and we will check back in with y'all tomorrow.
Yeah. It's gonna snow tomorrow, so it's gonna look real nice.
It's gonna look real nice, and oh my gosh, when it's lighter, y'all gonna see that view. It looks amazing. So let us unpack and relax, and we'll see y'all in tomorrow's vlog.